bad tip.
Just the tip? Nothing?
No, it's all bad.
They have pills for that.
Yeah, I know.
They make your vision blue.
I don't like them.
Grinding. Loud?
I can't hear anything now.
It's loud and grindy. A little bit of weldy.
I don't weld. I spatter.
That's what I was doing last week. Now I'm actually welding this week.
I'm sorry, do you think that had a high-mounted stoplight in it at one point? That right by his hand?
No, because there isn't anything there where there's a hole. So it probably was some sort of, you know.
Beach sticker. Salt and sea sticker.
John Birch Society.
Aftermarket windshield melt ice melt paste. Oh yeah, the wiring. Yeah, the wiring.
Although what we have to get for this car,
Right, the wiring should have been ran.
what we have to get for this car, and there can be no dispute, we have to get Winky the cat.
Winky the cat.
You've never seen Winky the cat?
Only as a clock.
No, Winky the cat was a popular option back in the 50s and the 60s. And Winky sat was this psychotic thing that barely looked like a cat. And it sat on the package tray right here in the middle, and you wired its eyes so that if you were making a right-hand turn, this eye would blink. And if you're making a left-hand turn, this one would blink. And if you're stopping, they both light up.
That's great.
So here's this demon cat with red eyes. It looks psychotic. There it is.
Did you find it?
That's great.
Yes! Creepy Winky.
You still do it?
J.C. Whitney catalog.
Good.
I'm assuming you probably get one from eBay.
We need Winky the cat.
Yeah. We have others that are. He's Winky.
There you go.
Right here on Worth Point. You can buy one from King of the Dice.
Oh, yes. The good old king of the dice. And they also have like stoplights you can put on the package shelf that look like a traffic light.
I think they did. There were always these safety conscious dudes that would put big honking ones up here. And then of course their back bumper was covered by reflectors. You know, and the semi that hit them didn't see anything.
He was blinded by the light.
Looking for a tool.
I've been called that. Never mind.
Me too.
I didn't get a reaction.
What do you want? Buy it.
I mean, not to break the glass.
Don't break glass.
I've already done that once tonight.
Yeah, I didn't get to see you with your bare feet in the car. Someone should have came and yelled at me.
I did. I was
there's a
yelling.
picture.
Oh, I
was
was
yelling.
welding.
There
I was
was
probably-
a picture. It was thrilling.
I was probably
You know, and if
in the
that's
zone.
I think
all
Allison
it
wanted
takes.
up some footage.
Nice. Teamwork right there. Literally, footage.
That's safe.
That wasn't even funny, but it's funny.